In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta AI app efficiently and effectively. First, let's start with downloading the app. If you're using an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, open up the App Store. In the search bar, type in Meta AI, and when the app appears, go ahead and tap on Install on Android or Get on iPhone. You'll want to wait a few moments for the app to fully download and install before moving on. Now that you have the app installed, open it up. You'll need to sign in using your Facebook or Instagram account, which are connected to Meta. This is a crucial step because it ensures that all your interactions and preferences are synced across your social platforms. After signing in, make sure to grant any permissions the app asks for, like access to your camera or microphone, to make sure your experience is seamless. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start chatting with Meta AI. Navigate to the home screen where you'll see either a chat box or a prompt saying, Ask Meta AI. Here you can type in any message or question. For instance, if you're working on adding captions to your travel reel, you can ask for suggestions, or if you're curious about current Instagram trends, you can ask Meta AI for the latest insights. Hit send and watch how Meta AI responds promptly. Additionally, if typing isn't your thing, you can simply hold down the microphone icon to speak your query. Feeling creative? Meta AI can help with that too. On the chat bar, type in imagine, followed by whatever creative idea you have in mind. For example, you might type, imagine a tropical beach sunset with pastel colors, and then give it a moment. Meta AI will take a few seconds to generate an image based on your description. You can then tap on this image to save it, share it, or even remix it further. There's also a world of inspiration waiting for you in the Discover or Explore section. Tapping on this tab allows you to browse through trending prompts and AI creations from other users. You'll see a variety of unique and creative posts that you can tap for further details or perhaps to remix them with your twist. To make the most out of Meta AI, personalize your experience. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner, and navigate to Settings, then Personalization. Here, you can input your interests, such as business, travel, or cooking, and even specify your professional role if you like. Say, I'm a business coach. This personalization tailors Meta AI's suggestions and replies to better suit your preferences and needs. Finally, remember that Meta AI isn't just an app. It integrates seamlessly across popular apps like Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. Simply type @Meta AI or look for the Meta AI icon within these apps to chat or create content right then and there. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, you're set to explore and enhance your digital interactions with unmatched ease. Enjoy the journey and make the most of your Meta AI experience.